Good morning again. I think we should start now. Still, students are joining, but otherwise, we will not able to complete the exercise. Okay. So, I hope there are students from two courses here. One is MGYL, another is MGYL 004, MGYL 104. Okay. So, as per these courses, the exercise number will have different numbers. Like today, you have exercise 2 for 004 and exercise 7 for 104. Okay, so both the exercises are same. Only the manual which you have will be different. Okay. So you have study material with you as per your course number. Can you confirm you have either exercise number 2 or exercise number 7? Yes, Nitish. Do you have either exercise number 2 or exercise number 7 as per your course?
Is anyone sharing the link?
Okay, I think you are not getting the literature. What I will do, I'll put one of the exercise in the chat. I'll create a link and put on the chat. Okay?
Yep.
So,
Yeah.
download that.
Thank you.
So everyone got the exercise for today?
Mr. Sunil,
Yes.
my link is not opening.
Uh,
It's showing error.
okay. So
Can
anyone
you?
else got the link? Is opening and downloading?
Yes, I can download it as well.
Okay. So that means link is working. You try again, Nitish.
Yeah.
Try again. Because you required this exercise. Without that, it will be little
Or
tough.
if you want, you can send your email address. I can send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know. Have you used anytime any GIS software? Any one of you? Maybe during this course or somewhere else.
No.
I have tried QGIS and ArcGIS during my master's, but it's like a long time ago. So,
Okay.
yeah, I
So,
need to refresh my memory, I guess.
okay. Today we'll see the overview of the QGI software itself. What we will do, the first thing you need to download the software. Okay, there are two, three links given in your this manual which I shared just now. You will get the link. You can get the link for downloading this software through multiple sources. Okay, so basically QGIS is an open source software. So I hope you know the difference between open source and proprietary. Okay, so there is a simple difference. I'll not go into the legal details of this, but to our understanding, proprietary software is developed by someone who is having proprietary of that particular software. Okay, example is what Nitish you told ArcGIS. That is your proprietary software. Erdas Imagine is one of the software that is also proprietary software. So proprietary software is having some proprietor or you can say owner. The software is having ownership with someone, and basically that owner is doing business out of it. That means simply he can sell the license, he can take some revenue out of it. So that type of arrangement is there in the proprietary software. In case of the open source software, there is no defined proprietor for that. Open source means public itself develops some content. Not a single person develop a full software, but multiple persons or organizations they contribute to develop this software. Generally, these softwares are freely available for the users. Generally, okay. So they will be placed at some platform where user can download without any restriction, or maybe some of the open source softwares they will ask for the registration minimum information they will ask, and you will get the full software or some part of it which is in a open source domain. Okay, I hope the proprietary softwares and the open source softwares you have now the broad understanding. So there are many open source softwares available. You can download and you can use. So QGIS is one of them. So we are going to use QGIS software for today's exercise and few coming exercise also. So today what we will do, we will get acquainted ourselves with these software functionalities. How, I mean, we'll try to understand the software. Where are the different menus? What is mean by toolbar, menu bar, map view? So basically, we'll try to get acquainted ourselves with the software. So in coming exercise, this today's exercise will help us where to find option, how to understand the options in the software, how to work with the software. So this is the basic exercise, but it's very important. Until and unless you know where are my plugins, where is the toolbar, how to get the different tools to work with. So all these things will come through this broad overview of the today's session. Okay, so what you are going to do first thing is you are supposed to download the software. So it will take some time. Once you download it, then simultaneously we can work. I will just give the broad overview and then we can see. Now downloading will depend on your speed. Okay, like some I said one PDF, someone was struggling to get this link. This may be because of your internet speed. So I'll suggest you should have better internet connectivity, because in this exercise we are downloading PDF file plus one software. In coming exercise, you are also supposed to download little bigger data. Maybe you will download some satellite data or some online vectors, so that require your bandwidth. So ensure you have better bandwidth for coming exercises. Okay, so please confirm everyone got this link and you have exercise with you.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, good, good. So let me share for some time so that I can show you where is the this one. You can go through one by one, but to save your time, this is your exercise. What we are going to do, it's a simple exercise, but it's more important to understand the different functionalities will come here. So if you come down, I will skip this introductory portion, you can go through later on. If you come down, you will get some links. See, here is one link on page number 3 bottom, where you can download and install the software. Similarly, you will get one more link here also. So you just click on this link, and this link will take you to the web page. Okay, this will take you to the web page. Just listen, and then you can download. Once this link is downloaded, sorry, I think I lost connectivity in between. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible now.
Some call came in between and my connectivity was lost. So where I was,
You shared the link that this is the link to download the software, and after that it paused.
At page 3.
okay, okay, okay. I was going on, and later on I came to know I lost the connectivity. Okay, so I was showing you this link. I will just repeat again. So there are links at 2 3 places in your software. One is on page number 3 here, which I was showing. Another, you can just click below link this one. This will this will take you to the web page, and this web page, you will get this link, this web page. Okay, so on this web page, depending on your system, I believe everyone is having Windows, but if not, you can choose your system. Accordingly, you can choose your software based on your system. If it is Windows, you choose Windows. Okay, and you can download any of the version. Better you go for the latest one. Download it. Once it is downloaded and saved on your system, you just double click the installer. It will open the QGIS installation page, and you just install. If you can skip the tutorials or notes, which is the part of this software, so that you can install fast. These tutorials you can download later on also and save on your system. Okay, so please try to download and then start installing. Once you installed, let me know, or if you face any problem in between, you can unmute and speak. Okay,
So we need this
Okay.
offline installer, right? Long term version 3.40.
yeah, these are the different versions. You choose any one,
Mm-hmm.
no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I will just unshare screen, and you uh, install it, and then we can I hope everyone is on the download link.
Yes,
It's
it's downloading.
downloading.
It will take some time to download depending on your internet speed.
Yes, it's 1.3 GB.
Yes, yes, that's why I told it requires some good bandwidth.
Yeah. Meanwhile, it's
By chance,
downloading.
by chance, anyone is having QGIS installed, you need not to download. Huh?
Yeah. Meanwhile, it's downloading. I
Hmm.
just wanted to know, like, is anyone working as a GIS analyst or in the same field? Um, why I'm asking is because I work as a business and data analyst, but to wider the scope and also to switch into some specialization, I picked up this course and certificate for certification purposes and also for my like if I'm going to be into this role. I just wanted to understand like what are the roles and responsibilities looks like in journal in corporate. I have gone through the curriculum and to the course structure and everything, but like anyone if already working can share their experience, or maybe if you can share your experience. I think no one is working. Like, can you share your experience, Sunil?
Okay, you are working in the database domain.
As a business and data, like I'm more of IT analyst.
Okay.
Hmm.
So basically, this geoinformatic database is one of the upcoming database.
Yes.
So like
Hmm.
many of the companies, I can say many of the companies, including you all are using this. I'll just put
Yes.
a simple example like everyone use the Google navigation, Google Maps to find
Hmm.
out the places, to find out the distance, to find out the situation on the road, traffic
To locate
situation.
address. Yes.
That
Hmm.
is nothing but the GIS is working
Yes.
behind. So
Yes.
every database which is having the positional information, location
Hmm.
is associated with the GIS. So this
Right.
is a
Hmm.
big and upcoming field.
Hmm.
So there is enormous scope in this. I will give one more example now how these databases are commercially used.
Hmm.
For example, you have say you are doing some crowdsourcing or you are pinpointing some of the customers and you want to know their behavior
Hmm.
in the sense where they move, what they purchase, and
Hmm.
what is the frequency and all this type of database you want to know. So you can track a customer if customer is moving say with a interval of say every week at a particular place. For example, he is moving, he is visiting a particular say petrol pump.
Hmm.
So you can back calculate he's going there to purchase the petrol or fuel, or if he's visiting a particular market area, particular mall. So you can find out many things for that customer and its behavior, and then other social media tools you can use to post the particular advertisements for him on the different websites.
Right. So if like after maybe getting some more information, um, I like, is there any specific? domains under GIS as well, like, or is it all accumulated into one? Like you can choose like what specific domain within GIS I can go. I did look into like some of the fields. It was saying like there are multiple things within GIS as also GIS field itself where you can move, but from job perspective, is it so or no?
Anshula, hi.
Hi.
Hi, actually, I'm working in the field of disaster management. So I recently
Every
used.
Oh,
domain you can use the GIS database, and I mean there are enormous scope in electricity, irrigation, defense, police. I mean everywhere you can use this database, and the beauty of this database is that you can pinpoint the locations. You can pinpoint the location, and you can have the precise database, and which will be very realistic, right?
right.
So there is huge scope, I mean to say. Only thing, you have to groom yourself in a particular domain of your
Mm-hmm.
interest and develop your expertise.
Right.
So, I'm telling her the same thing. We recently
Mm-hmm.
completed a project. It's about like digital public infrastructure in India and in South Africa. So we have
Hmm.
used the QGIS to locate the communities we are working with and how their situations are. So we use the QGIS to mark the houses, like this is the area we have used for our data in India, and this is the housing that we used for our data in South Africa, so that we can compare what kind of situations they are facing in digital public infrastructure. So you can use in that form also, like in research sector.
Right. Yeah, actually, I was thinking to go into mining. It
Hmm.
has a huge scope as well, but yes, I wasn't sure. Like, my first step was at least let's get into this, because I did like some basic study about it. To be honest, I didn't go deep into this GIS, and this is why I thought like I'll do this course. I will get some knowledge as well, some clarity, and maybe I can get some people within the course who are already working into this field, who can share their experience, who can guide me as well. So that was the main motive. Yeah, but thank you, Nitisha, to share your experience. Maybe we can connect more.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
And those who are in IT or core development or core IT or in database,
Mm-hmm.
for them, just I want to tell one more thing. During my, I can say, initial career days when I was learning this GIS, remote sensing, and all, especially when I was a fresh college graduate and all.
Hmm.
So during that time, I wish the softwares which I saw, and today after this much time, what I am seeing, there is a huge gap. Like my initial time, it was just an, you can say, user interface type of the things, and
Right.
smaller database we used to handle. You can understand that data goes into the floppies and all, maybe 1 GB, 2 GB, sorry, 1 MB, 2 MB, or
Hmm.
maximum 1 GB, you can say. But now if you see the data size is a very huge, databases are handled by the cloud systems,
Yes.
and your GIS interface is handling a huge data, maybe country level or maybe at continental level also. And one more significant difference, like earlier times, it was just user interface. Most
Hmm.
of the things are manually or semi-manually or some uh, automated algorithms we used during that time. But today, if you see this field, is mostly dominated by the GIS or geoinformatics developers. Most of the things are handled at database level or at programming level. So the field has developed widely, and it is in every application. If you see any of the application, if
Yes.
you are unable to find it directly, but
But it
at the
is there.
end there is a GIS. See, almost though people who are moving or who are traveling from one place to another place for their commute, and if they are having smartphone in their hand, I don't think anyone who is not using maps or any kind of navigator, maybe whichever navigator they are using. So it might be Google Map or anything. So background of that, the database for that is GIS. So it's a huge field, and if you are interested to build your career in this field, I can say there is enormous scope.
But when I checked, jobs for GIS, it was more for developers than analysts, like maybe engineers and developers, I would say.
Yeah, because that more
We can't hear you, Sunil.
I have the job for both the domains. I mean,
Hmm.
developers and core subject specialist. But the number may vary.
Yeah, that's why I was.
Okay, let us.
Angela, you can, like you said, you wanted to use it in mining and stuff, so you can do the hazard mapping in the area. You can
Ah,
use it in that way, like risk assessment
hmm.
and how to prepare, like preparedness and mitigation for the area. What kind be the
Right,
response relief will be there. And then
right.
in the end phase of like if something happens, so you can use it in recovery and rehabilitation to
Hmm.
identify the safest areas. So in that aspect, you can use it.
Right. Okay. Yeah, this is actually one of the domain, but yes, thank you. This is what exactly I was looking for the answer, like where I should start from. Okay, now I got it. I will look into these topics and yeah, we'll see.
Because
We'll
I
go for
have a disaster management background, so we use
yeah.
QGIS for these things.
Okay.
So obviously in mining also there will be some small and big incidents, so you can use it.
Right. Okay. Okay, this is installed for me.
Okay, okay. Just we'll wait for others. Okay, maybe 2 3 minutes. You can. Oh, who lost? Someone lost. Okay, no problem. So get it installed. Maybe I will keep quiet for 2 3 minutes, and then we'll see the overview.
So how do you spell your name, Niti? Nate?
Nitesh.
Nitesh? Okay. Hmm. I was just not sure. I don't want you to feel bad.
It's okay, it's
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, okay. So you work as a GIS analyst, developer, or
No,
what?
I work as a research and project coordinator in the field of disaster management, humanitarian aspects, shelter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
My main focus is like women's and children's health during disasters
Ah, okay. Right.
and
So you
conflicts.
work for like government projects or you work for any
It's
organization?
a research organization based in Mumbai, but we basically do South Asia and all the like vulnerable countries.
Right. Okay. Very nice. It's good you started early in this field.
Yeah, because in like government sector you need lots of experience, and they prefer like army retired who have the like field experience.
Oh,
So yeah,
okay.
so I choose the research sector. It's like safe.
Right. No, it's very good. Like in research also there is a lot of scope.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how long you have been working like do in this same field?
Uh, uh, I have completed my master's in disaster management in COVID 2020. Then I
Hmm.
have started working with different organizations. First, it's like the educational disaster management, like school level or something. Like we used to make programs for the students for like school and college. Then I worked with an organization who's working in like solid waste management, how to manage the solid waste and how we can do the composting and all that. And then, like, past 3 years, I've been working in the research.
Okay, very nice. And how is the pay scale in India like for this
Uh,
as a
so
starter? Of course, like
uh,
considering I have experience in
actually,
it, but
yeah.
not. Yeah, yes, yes.
And the experience I have, it's basically like depend on the university actually. So,
Hmm.
one of my like brother kind of cousin,
Mhm.
he did the same course from TES, so he's getting more paid, and I did the same course from Punjab University, Chandigarh. I get the
Hmm.
less pay. So it
Oh,
depends on the university too, like where you have done your master's or PhD. Then, yeah, again, the experience, how much experience you have, it also affects. So it's
okay.
like me, I'm working for like from home, so it's okay for me, like
Right.
40 something they are paying, and but they are like taking care of all the expenses if I have to travel in
Right.
India or
Okay. Hmm.
like you have to travel abroad, so they'll take care of everything.
That's good.
So
So you get that
yeah.
opportunity to travel.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
a lot.
oh wow, very
Yeah,
nice.
I went to Jordan last year and then Australia for the
Ah, I live
research
in
thing.
Australia as well.
Oh wow, nice to hear that.
Yes.
I was there in like October last year.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe
Yeah,
next time when you're here.
yeah,
That's really good. Like, see, this is exactly what I'm looking forward from this field as well, that it should have a good scope. You can, at least have good pay scale. Let's
yeah.
see. Yeah. Yeah, initially it will be a struggle, but I hope for the
You
best.
can, yeah, you can check the like Australian government who's working in this sector, so you can collaborate with them because I have like travel visa, so I can't go and find job, right? So, but I have like searched some of the opportunities, so they are having a lot of opportunities in disaster management and research. You can check that.
Yes, yes, they have lot of opportunity, but the thing here is like if you want to get into anything, you should have the certificate for that field. Like
Okay.
I'm an Indian citizen, so if you are an Australian citizen or like any country citizen, that's a different thing for them. Like they will take you, but if you are from any other country, then you need a certificate.
Mm.
Hmm.
But you can
So
use this certificate now, right?
yes, 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 definitely I can use this. Yeah, so like yes, certification is very important here, and also it like of course at least I will gain some knowledge. Like I have you now, I have Sunil, so I can stay in touch with you guys. So,
Yeah, definitely.
yeah. Mm.
So you're based in which part of Australia?
I'm in Melbourne.
Okay, okay. I went to Perth.
Ah, yes, exactly. That's why I'm doing this because everything related to GIS is in Perth, and to get the job, they need yes this certificate and stuff.
Yeah, there are some universities also who's working in this sector.
Very expensive. I can't afford them to be honest.
Some some of them like they are doing the paid PhD thing.
Mm, Um, yes, but it's very less. Like expenses in Australia is a lot. Like it's not
Yeah.
beneficial if I do paid PhD here, because
Mm.
what they will pay, I will spend it here. So it's not enough to
Okay.
be honest. So it's good to do PhD in India, maybe online
Mm.
or and then keep working. It's very expensive country.
Yeah, I didn't feel safe there also, to be honest.
Oh no, it's very safe, वैसे. Like
Yeah,
it's
it's safe, but there is like so my friend is there in Perth only, so I was waiting for her, and there is this local tribe, the Australian local tribe.
Mhm.
They are very aggressive.
Oh
They
yes,
just
yes, yes.
came, yeah, they just came and like my friend is like, why are you standing here? They'll slap you and steal your money. It's not safe, and it's like, okay, I won't do this
Some
again.
people are always there, but like Perth is little backward. There is still not too
Mm,
much immigration there. So in Melbourne, it's very safe. In Sydney, it's
mm,
very safe because a lot of immigration has happened. Yeah, but
mm.
you will always see, these
Incidents, yeah.
racism, yes, against you. It's always there.
Sunil, mine is also installed.
Yes. I'm not sure how to open it. I have done the installing and everything. It's in C
You
drive.
can go search in your search bar. You can find the QGIS and open.
Oh, I'm trying to open it. Let's see if it opens.
So I hope everyone is having software. Now let us move ahead. So you you might have got some icon on your desktop. You can double click it. It will take you to the software window. If you don't have the icon, so you can just open QGIS. Like my screen is visible, I believe. Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So here you can see I have, I think, two versions, 3.4, three versions I have. So maybe because of some functionality, I have installed two, three versions. So I am opening 3.22 QGIS, I think, which is latest one with me. You might be having different version. That doesn't matter.
$3.44.
You can have any
Yeah.
version. There
3.4.
might be slight variation in some of the menus and functionality.
I think the screen is frozen again.
Yeah.
He's having network issues.
How are you going to give exams, Anshu?
I will come India,
Okay.
mm. but I haven't enrolled in examination.
Ah, okay.
I tried online. The link was not working, but I will tell my, family or someone to go
You
and.
can you get this email, admission email. So they told you to make an account, right?
Yes, this I have the account.
So you can find the link in the account also. I tried from there only.
this Igno account, right?
Yeah,
Where
yeah,
where is the okay exam form, right? Oh
yeah.
shit. Let's see. For some
I
reason,
also.
there it wasn't working for me from here.
Okay. Maybe
Maybe.
that's it.
uh, I tried just now, it's not working.
You check the date sheet and all.
No, it wasn't working. I told someone to go, but they haven't. So I'm not sure like if I can like pay late fees and still get enrolled.
There is a late fees, but I don't know till when it is valid.
Yeah.
I also paid the late fees actually.
Okay. Can you try at your end once, Nitish, if it's working?
I'll check.
I'm not sure if I can ask someone to go there and then they can pay if the university will accept. This is my first time doing it from IGNO. I don't know how it works.
Me too. My junior had like done this, so I'm always like texting her, hey, tell me how I do this.
Okay, yes,
She
yes.
is such a savior for me.
It's very inconvenient actually. Like
Yeah.
the dates are not matching, no email response, phone cannot be
Hmm.
connected. There is no group, I guess, no chat group, anything for support.
Yeah.
Very inconvenient.
I think we get the habit of finding everything in one click.
Yes.
So I think I have submitted it. So they are taking me to the submitted page.
Right,
And
yes, yes, yes.
you
Okay,
can
maybe
share the your ID with some family member who's back in India. They can try.
yeah, I'll do that only. Oh, I think it's when I check the news on this website, it says you cannot pay registration online anymore.
You can check with
Hmm.
they've given some number, I guess, right? You can
It doesn't works. It doesn't work. So I tried calling 1,000 times.
okay.
Hmm.
Anybody else have seen the date sheet? The और ने देखा date sheet?
Not me. But
I don't know this one is the final or not, but
when is the exam starting?
it started from 10th of
10th
December.
December.
Yeah,
Can you share it with me, please?
yeah, I'll share the email with you.
Hmm. You are based in Delhi?
I'm based in Haryana.
Acha, okay.
Mm.
Oh, I thought it says not that this link is for one institute enrolled students only. Something like
Oh,
that. Yes. So I thought everyone is from same center, like the examination center or whatever.
you can get to choose where you want to give the exam. They'll
Yes.
ask the nearby area.
Yes, yes, yes. I choose Delhi. Yeah, I live there. That's why.
I choose the nearby area.
Yeah.
It's around like 40 kilometer or something. Let's see after I
Oh,
get my roll number. I
ah,
can only
for
finalize.
yeah, for me it was 10 from my home.
Okay, okay.
Maybe five.
But we have like highways now, so it will be
Ah,
like
exactly. No, no, that's true.
I was also confused, like if I have to choose Delhi, but they like gave the option, so I was like, I don't want to stuck in traffic. It's like
Yes.
okay.
Yes. When I enrolled, I haven't received any confirmation or anything. So I thought I don't know like if my admission will be confirmed or not, what is happening,
Yeah,
if I will be able to choose any other center. I emailed them because that's all I can do, right? I tried to call
yeah.
them, no one answered. They're very rude. Very poor customer service. Only once it got connected, but Yeah, very rude. Anyway, so I emailed them, no reply, and then one of the day you receive this email, your admission is confirmed, blah blah blah.
Yeah. I also got like an email like, okay, your background is not matching with this
Ah,
course. And
okay.
I was like, oh my God, should I mention my disaster management background? I didn't because I did only the bachelor things, I guess. They're like, okay.
Then it worked.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to mention anything, or it
No, no,
automatically
no,
came.
no. It automatically came.
Ah, okay,
I
okay.
was just texting my that junior, so she was like, "It's okay, baby, just wait, you will get it." And I'm like, "Okay,
Hmm. I have another question. To
yeah,
create this IGNU account, you add
mm,
your details, है ना, पास वो क्या
yeah,
आधार details, everything. Then they
mm,
ask you for digital details. Is it mandatory
yeah."
for digital details for everyone? You can't get
Uh,
account created without digital details like those
I,
government.
I, I think, yeah, I think so because for me, I also did something like uploaded my mark sheet on that DG Locker or something.
या नहीं नहीं, नॉट डिजी लॉकर, ये नहीं होता है कि आधार का मतलब कुछ ऐसा होता है कि आपका आधार भी डिजिटली स्टोर्ड होता है, कुछ होता है,
हाँ,
पता
I did
नहीं।
that
हाँ,
on DG Locker only, I guess.
अच्छा वो डिजी लॉकर ही था, ठीक है ठीक है, हाँ हाँ, अब
Mm,
बिकॉज मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं बट दे डोंट हैव आधार कार्ड का ये डिजी लॉकर, सो
uh-huh.
आई ईमेल देम लाइक कि कैन वी डू इट विदाउट डिजी लॉकर, नो रिस्पॉन्स।
Okay.
हाँ, एनीवेज हमारे सर पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए।
Huh. They didn't mention when we are going to have the practical, right?
Hmm. No, they haven't mentioned. I think it's in January. Like I checked with one of the other, you know, this another professor, and he mentioned it's
Okay.
generally in January, maybe.
So it will be written and then we have to do this QGIS thing.
I think so. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe we can check with Sunil.
Mm. In starting, I was like, okay, they have this um,
Huh?
course, like they have this books and notes, right? So they have
Ah,
mentioned block one, and I was like, okay, they are like, oh my God, there are only four blocks, and I was so happy, like, okay, I have to read this. Then I like checked again, and I was like, oh my God, there are four blocks for each.
yes. I only have in this e-Gyan course MGY 101, 102, and
100.
103. There is no
Yeah, there is
104.
no 104.
Mm. Yeah, he's back.
Sorry. Yeah. And I was unmuted. So you got this type of window after opening QGIS?
Yes,
Okay. So maybe little different because I have
the
added
older version.
lot of tools in between. Anyway, but something like this you might have got. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we have to make ourselves comfortable with this one. So don't worry, you might be having these different tools on your this one. So anytime you can manage these tools, you can remove, you can add. Okay, so that we can do always. Correct. So what I will I don't want to demonstrate at this stage one by one option, but just want to give you a broad view. So this is almost similar like either your MS Office or Word or something like that. Okay. So whatever layers you are playing or maps, so we called here in GIS layer. So there will be layer by layer, one layer, two layer, three layer, uh, these different type of maps. Okay. So they all will open here in this window where I am moving my cursor. So we call this as a map view. So your map will be displayed here. And here, this is the layer menu. Okay. So you have again different buttons here. I'll not go in this detail. Just we'll see the broadly where the things lies on your QGIS window. So all the maps which you want to see will be here in the this one. This we called map view. Okay. And the layers, for example, you have opened 5 layers here. So all the layers will be here. Okay. So just give me a second. I have to put the charger on. My battery is running low. Okay. So your layers will be here. Your map will be here. When you check the layer will be displayed layer, and rest layer you can uncheck. So only check layers will be displayed in the map map window. Okay. Now things here at the bottom, you can have coordinate. I mean, like every map will be having its so when here, but it will display the coordinates of the here, like scale will be 1 is to say 50,000, 1 is to 1 million, something like that. So what is the scale? Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out, the scale will change accordingly. Similarly, you have magnifier, rotator, and other things. Last you have coordinate system, PPSG. So projection system. So uh, this will be your the map.
We'll be getting these recordings, right?
Not sure.
Because like this, I don't think so.
I think there is nothing in this recording. It's us, both of us who's speaking.
Yeah, but still, the class will be till 2, right? So there must be something we need to see
Yes.
rather than our own audio.
Hopefully.
Then there is another class, like right
Yes.
after.
Uh, I saw on that email that there's a attendance and blah blah blah.
Mm,
I don't know if attendance is compulsory or something like that.
maybe because I took the online one, right? I don't want the
Hmm.
because I can't
Yeah,
attend daily.
yes, yes. Even I took online. Eh, um,
Oh, so where I draw at what?
You are telling like where we can put the maps and the other areas. You have talked about the icons that we have. The first row only, not the second.
Okay, so no problem. I'll again repeat one more time. So your map, this is your map view. All your maps can be displayed here. This is your layer menu, layer view, where your all the layers will be displayed. When you add the layer, it will come here. If you want to display this layer in the map view, it, then you check it, it will come here. When you add, by default it will be checked in and it will be displayed. But if you don't want to see its display, but you want to keep the layer, you can just uncheck it. Okay, so apart from this, you have different functionalities. You will be having this main menu. We call this main menu. Inside the main menu, you will be having these different buttons. You can click on a particular button. There will be various uh, again functionalities here. You can create any one. For example, I want to say add layer, so then I can add a vector layer. So it will take me to a particular this one dialog box where I can select the layer. Maybe I can go to particular directory. I don't know what is the directory. All our rasters. I just want to add one.
can I ask very basic question? Could be stupid as well. Why we use this
Yes.
application? Like what for what? Creating maps?
Hmm.
Like
No,
what's the
I'm
use of
just
this
adding
application?
the existing one.
Yeah.
How this layer
Mhm.
menu can be
Anshula, you
used. So
can
I'm
use
adding one layer.
create a
I think the screen is frozen again.
And
having different projections, so it went somewhere else.
Sunil, we can't see your screen.
Zoom to
It's
layer.
frozen and
Yeah.
we can't hear you as well.
Oh, it's frozen, huh?
Yes, network issue also.
Your audio is breaking.
Is it visible?
It's frozen. It's
I'm
visible.
going to change the network maybe after some time. Screen is breaking now. Okay. So this way you frozen, still frozen.
Now I can see.
Yes, I can see it as well.
Okay. So this way you can add and remove the layer from this layer menu. This is your main menu where we were trying to add one layer, one vector layer. So you can add vector, raster, anything from this. So you can use these different buttons. Okay, from the main menu.
Yes.
Then you have this menu bar, like you can open this your existing project, you can create new project, you can save your project. So these are the different buttons like zoom in, zoom out, pan, select. So all these buttons will be here. You are going to use this button. Then there is a editor toolbar here. You can when you are making some map or editing some map, you can use this editor toolbar. So all these buttons are available in your uh, toolbar window, menu, I mean, sorry. Okay, so what I'll suggest you just explore this main menu, then this tool menu. You try to explore this for some time, so that if you want to add the layer, from where you will add, you want to open the project, where is the option you want to add, zoom the layer, you just roam around to get acquaint yourself with this window. Maybe we can spend
Mm,
some 5 minutes time on this. You just open, just explore, I mean. Then after that we'll move further. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, just try this QGIS window for some time.
Sunil, we'll be getting the recordings or like the class only.
It will be uploaded. Maybe the center will tell you where it is. The recording will be there. They will provide the link.
Okay.
Yes, Vinita. Yeah, Vinita, you want to say something? You raise your hand.
विनीता भी सर ने वो एप्लीकेशन समझाई है कि कैसे यूज़ करनी है और उन्होंने बोला है कि 5 मिनट 10 मिनट्स खुद को दो और उस एप्लीकेशन को यूज़ करके देखो। तो इसीलिए अभी कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा।
Just I want to you guys play for some time with this different menus and buttons and windows, so that you will get some feel out of it. At least you will appreciate from where I can add layer, how these various buttons and what for. Maybe you may not understand what it for exactly, but you will get some feel out of it, so that it will not remain alien for you. You will have some, at least some understanding. So you know now where is your toolbar, where is your main menu, and I have not told you the title bar. Title bar is the top one you going to use most of the time, but the topmost portion where your title will be there right now. Hopefully it is coming as a untitled for you. Okay, so untitled project something it will be written, that is your title bar. So you know now where is your menu bar. Inside your menu bar there will be project, file, vector, rasters. So these different buttons are there. Then you have toolbar where you can have lot of tools there, like you have new, then some folder. Depending on your version you will be having lot of tools there. Okay, then extreme right side you will be having your map legend. Okay, map legend, that means your layers. You will be having different layers, and on that layer you can see below your, where the layer is written, there are some buttons which we are not exploring right now, but you know there are some other functionalities associated with this particular small window. Then you have map view where your maps will be displayed, or you can say the layers which you have added in the layer menu, that will be displayed here. Okay, and similarly you have status bar, extreme bottom, right, where you have coordinates or scale or this type of information, or projections, this type of information you have at the bottom. Okay, I hope you are now aware little bit about your QGIS GUI. We call this as a GUI. Anyone knows the full form of GUI? It's a graphical user interface. So whatever you click here, so software at the back end in your system, it is performing that function and displaying you the outcome or result out of it. So I believe everyone is now okay with this basic functionality of the GUI.
Yes, little bit.
Little bit, okay. I don't want you to become expert at this point of time, but I similarly I want you should not remain untouched. So
Yeah.
I don't know कैसे QGI हुआ किधर मिलेगा, so I don't want this. Okay, download. how to install, and what are the major parts of the GUI. We are not going in detail. Later on, we will go inside each toolbar and each button on that, and we'll see its functionalities. Okay, up to this, is it fine for everyone?
Yes.
Okay. I forgot one thing. Are you comfortable with English? Are you comfortable with English, or yeah?
We can't hear you again.
If you want to mix
It,
also, I can speak in mix Hindi and English.
uh,
Uh, am I audible or not?
yes, you're audible now, but we lose you in starting.
Acha, okay, okay. I was just asking, are you comfortable with English, or shall I speak in Hindi, or shall I give you in a mixed way, Hindi and English? Because I am comfortable with both the languages. Depending on you, I can adjust.
I'm
This is
comfortable in
for
both. How
benefit of
everyone like
everyone.
prefers, I'm okay.
You can do a mix, so it will be okay for everyone.
Yeah, I'm okay in Hindi or
Okay.
English. Either way is fine. I'm okay with both. Like whatever other says.
Okay, no problem. So we'll move ahead. So just I want to explore one more functionalities, like QGIS. As I told earlier, it's an open source software. Okay, so here the functionalities on this software were developed by many of its users. User develop, and they give that functionality to this consortium, OHGS, we called it OHGS. So they check, and then if they found it's okay or usable for the software, then they provide to the wide users. So that particular functionality or function is coming as a plugin. So plugin, like plug and play hota hai na, it's a plugin. So then
Huh.
that plugin you have to install in the QGIS, and then you can avail that functionality. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this plugin functionality. Give me a moment, I will share my screen, and again I'll go to the QGIS, and just I want to give a very quick demo. After that, you yourself will try this. Okay, hope QGIS window is visible now.
Yes.
Okay, so here, if you see my cursor, you can see plugins. Can you see the plugins?
Yes.
Click on this plugin, and here you get the option manage and install plugin. Click on that. Okay,
Hmm.
so just wait for a moment.
List of plugins came up.
Yeah, it is coming for my system. It is still fetching.
Hmm.
Okay, here I just want to explore you this menu, and the steps are given here. This installing the plugins. Okay, try to follow these steps and explore this menu. Okay,
Okay.
basically you are going to install some plugin. Any one plugin, if you able to install, rest you can install at any time. Okay,
Okay.
just install one plugin. You can install, you can uninstall, you can manage the plugins from this menu. Just keep spend 5 minutes on this.
Yep.
As this is the first session, we are moving with slow speed. The reason is that I want everyone to be onboarded and on same page. And your syllabus is also designed accordingly so that you will get slowly acquainted with the software, but in later exercises will we have to move with better speed, but by that time you will be well acquainted with the software so you can play fast with the software.
Sunil, for
Yes.
me, like, the version I have downloaded, so they are showing like the plugins is not compatible for my version. What should I do? I have downloaded, but
You can you share your screen? No, it will not be true for all the plugins. Maybe the plugin you might have selected to install that might not be compatible. Which plugin is given in your notes?
uh, 3D Arcs, 3D City, DB Tools, something like that. I'll share it.
Yeah, you can share. Yeah, better. I think we will try to see your screens if there is any problem, or you can quickly give the brief demos instead of I demonstrate from here. That is also a good option. Uh,
Yes,
okay,
I
your
have.
screen is now coming. Yeah, go to
Wait, wait,
your
wait.
QGIS window. Yeah,
If I go to plugins, I think my network is slow, but yeah.
yeah, because it will connect online. The plugins are somewhere, so it will fetch from there.
Okay. To me, it's showing like, yeah, I'm on the right track, but I don't know why it's not showing to you guys.
Acha, it is not coming on our
It's it's
screen.
it's open in my tab, so I can see the plugins, but I don't know why it's not visible here.
Maybe you're not sharing entire window. It's just the screen that you are sharing. If you click on share window, then it might just come.
Share entire window, right?
Maybe you're sharing tab. We can see your
No,
screen.
yeah, I have shared the window, but I don't know why it's not
Okay.
because the sorry, I
Maybe.
have to like mute myself because there is a wedding going on next door, so you guys will hear the music.
Okay, anyone can share the screen.
I can share my screen. Yeah, you just need to maybe guide me. This is new for
Yeah,
me.
you just that's why I just want
Yeah,
to
okay.
see your
Let me
screens.
know when you can. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it is coming.
Okay, can you see this application?
Yeah, GUI is coming. You go to the plugins and
Okay, I go plugins, manage and install plugins, and I click this one, and I'm getting these two options: uninstall plugin, reinstall plugin.
install plugin. But that I think that particular dialog we cannot see is
Oh, okay, you can't see. Okay, I don't know why. Then maybe it's same issue as Nitesh was showing that it's not coming up. I can send a picture in screenshot in
no, you
group.
share entire screen. Why it should come actually.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not coming up. Let me try again, okay? Entire screen share. Can you see again?
Yeah, yeah.
Can
Now it is visible.
yes, okay. So I'm getting these two options: uninstall plugin or reinstall plugin. I did this 3D CT tools.
Wait. So that was written in your notes, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So if you see the right side, once you open this dialog box, you can see the sorry, not right, left hand side. You
Hmm.
just click on installed button. Installed. Click on this.
Uh,
So install plugins right now you don't have any plugin which is installed, right?
hmm.
You because you have not installed it. Now you
Yes.
click on not installed. So these are the plugins available for you. This is the list. Any
Okay.
one of you click any one of the plugin.
Yes. Okay. That 3D city tools was
Yeah,
not available then.
anyone 3D arc you are installing now 3D arc.
Hmm. Where it will show up in installed?
Yes.
The
Okay.
3D
Yes.
arc plugin now.
Hmm.
So
It's
you
here.
go into the installed one.
Yes.
3D
On.
arc is first one.
Yep.
Is it showing installed? Not yet.
It's in install section. See on the left, it's installed,
Okay,
and
you
here you can see plugin installed on your QGIS. Click on the name to see the detail. Now, how we use these plugins?
now that we'll see in the later part.
Okay.
First now we have to ensure how to install, and
Right.
you are not going to install whatever plugins available and make your software clumsy. Okay,
Mm,
so here the idea is that whatever functionality you want to use from the QGIS, you quickly go to the plugin, install that plugin, and use that functionality. Okay, after
okay.
that, your work is over. You can again go to the same plugin button and
Hmm.
uninstall it. Now you have installed, you select that plugin again. and you select 3D. You see uninstall. You uninstall it, no problem. Later on again you can install just for demonstration purpose.
Yes.
Say yes,
Hmm. Done.
done. So your software will be light. Okay,
Hmm.
don't, we are not going to increase a lot of load on the software. So it's a
Okay.
handy and very quickly you can move, install and uninstall. Because while you are working on the real time project, you require many plugins. Okay,
Right.
to
Hmm.
perform a particular functions. So you quickly search. Now, what you are coming in your mind, how you will search? You go to the search top there, search. Yeah, click whatever you want. What to keyword you know about GIS, vector, anything you write, vector, raster, map, anything you write.
Map.
So related to that, because this is very broad word, you are not in any function. If you written, if you could have written some function, so limited number of plugins you could have got, but map is very broad. So these
Hmm.
are the plugins. What I mean to say here, these are the plugins related to that particular keyword.
Okay.
Okay, you change the keyword. The idea is that if you don't know anything or if you have only little idea, very
Hmm.
little faint idea, you know that I want to do something like this. So you type that and it will display you the list of plugins. When it display you list of the plugin, you click any one of the plugin. You click one of the plugin like
Hmm.
Clima Plot. Now in the map you have one plugin AUS map. Now you
Yeah.
don't know. You, in fact, you know only what you want to do in
Yes.
GIS, but
Hmm.
you don't know how to do and which plugin will help you. Now you
Hmm.
click on this plugin, you can see it is giving you some description here.
Hmm.
Wave maps give quick access to variety of feature sets and map layers provided by Geoscience Australia, the Google Map platform, and ठीक है blah blah blah. It has written here. So this will give you idea about the plugin, what that plugin can help you, how it can help you, or what
Hmm.
functionality it have, or what database it will fetch. So you will get the brief idea.
Hmm.
So once you find that, okay, this particular plugin is closely related to my type of work which I am trying to
Hmm.
do, you install that one and
Okay.
then you use that plugin. So when you try to use that plugin, then it will show you, it will give you some dialog box type of the things where it will ask you some information. Maybe it will ask you input layer, which input layer you want, or if there are multiple layers, it will ask you which vector layer. So you will go to specific directory and select that specific layer, so that layer will be called for the operation. Then you will select another layer that will be called for operation. Then it will ask you which method of analysis you want to use. You want to unite these two layers, or you want to make a third layer using these two layers with some formula or something. Depending on the plugin you have selected, it will ask you the inputs.
Hmm.
Various inputs it will ask, the plugin will ask you inputs. Mostly it's a just click and select type of the things for each plugin. So you provide that input and uh, then you have to run. There will be run button for each dialog box. So you will run this. Before running this, it may also ask you where you want the output. So you want to store in a particular directory, or you just want a display of it on your screen, and later on you will say save it. So sometime you are not sure that this plugin will give is giving me right output or not. So you can run quickly on the screen, see the output. If you are satisfied, okay, this is what I am going to supposed to do, then you can save that output in a particular directory also. So this way these plugins will work.
Okay. Can we
Okay.
do one example now?
Yeah, you can do, but I don't know if you have layers and all. But it requires some input also. Na? You can run, but it will not run. You can run, just select the plugin which is installed.
Hmm.
No, but this functionality will not work from here. Here you only install the plugin. The plug
Okay.
for
Close this
working
then.
plugin, again you have to go to the your main QGIS GUI, and from that you have to run. So these exercises we have in coming time. So you are going to definitely going to use this in various exercises.
Oh, okay.
Okay, fine.
Hmm.
So now everyone you play, don't worry, you install whatever plugin you want. Later on you can uninstall, you can clean everything. So nothing is going to happen. If if plugin is not compatible with your particular version, it may create error also,
Okay.
because I don't know which versions you have installed. Maybe if you have latest version, then
Yeah, we
hopefully
all
all.
have 3.4. That's the latest one coming up.
But it is not always true also, because some of the plugins which were developed, say 5 years back, so they
Hmm.
may or may not compatible. But most of the plugins they are compatible, but not 100% sure.
Okay.
So I just want to confirm, but before that, I think now everyone should work on the plugins, and let me know if anyone is unable to install the plugin, uninstall the plugin, uh, any plugin. I mean, we are not focusing on a particular plugin, because we are not further using that particular plugin in today's exercise. The idea is just to install and uninstall.
Okay.
Yeah. So just spend some time on the this exercise. I hope installation is done. Now,
Yes.
you if you want to explore various functionalities, you can explore the plugin part. Okay. So because this first exercise we are going to stop here only, and then we'll start the second exercise. But before that, you can spend some time on the GUI part.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll break. You want lunch break also, so you can take some lunch break time, and then we'll start the another exercise.
That's at 2 p.m. What time?
Next is
2 p.m.
uh, what time you want to join again. It depends on that. So it's a 12:22. Okay, we'll spend first you explore. I don't want to leave you untouched for the plugin part. So everyone should become master in installing and uninstalling, so that later on we're going to spend time on this.
Sunil, this is the thing that came up when I installed.
Oh, acha, this is your screen. Let me.
Yeah.
That doesn't
Error
seems to be.
loading plugin. The plugin seems to be invalid or have unfulfilled dependent. Acha, see, this is Junani error, because see, plugins they are working hand in hand. Okay,
Hmm.
plugin is not independent. If you When you install any plugin, it is connected with your software functionalities, if you are working with the, say for example, vector related plugin, so it is connected with the all relevant parameters of vector. This is one part. Another part, some of the plugins they are interconnected with another plugins. That is also uh, true for some of the plugins. Now the plugin, I don't know which you have selected, it is showing there is some dependency or they are incompatible with your version.
Okay.
Which version you have?
I
Uh,
have 3.441, this one.
3 point. Okay. You again go to the plugin. Let's check. It's
So I have tried like
3D arc.
yeah, I have tried this. Like, let me like uh uninstall it and then install it. It shows the
Yes.
same thing.
You click 3D arc. Okay. The plugin seems to be invalid or have.
So I have tried bunch of these thing
You
like
try
plugins,
another
but
plugin. You try another plugin.
so I'll try the random one. Okay. So
Yeah.
this one is
Unfulfilled user install can't be loaded. Acha, it's not supporting. You take another. Not supporting.
you want me to try another one?
Yeah, yeah. One more. Yeah, I just want to say. Don't take server. Don't take that one.
Which one you want me to?
Uh, RGS in ANS server now.
Survey?
Uh, you just install this one. Mm, after installing, your system was restarted.
No.
Don't see it's a issue with version, but it is showing it's issue with the particular QGIS version. I hope once you restart the system, it will work.
During the break, I'll restart it and then let's see.
Yeah, restart and if it is not working, then we'll see.
Okay.
But I don't think there is any issue. Only thing there something is not allowing to install.
Okay.
So we can break then. Huh?
Yeah, when we are meeting again at what time?
How much break you want? Or you
It's
want to
up to
meet
the
at 2
next.
o'clock?
The next class is about, it will start at 2 p.m.
Hmm.
So we'll
We'll
meet
meet
at
at.
2.
Okay, no problem. So next is on Google Earth.
Yeah, Google Earth, and exercise 4 is getting started with Google Earth.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay.
At 2 then, yes?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We'll start at
Okay.
2. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, Sunil.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.